In the world of modern automobiles, the shift toward electrification is happening faster than ever before. Every major car company is racing to design vehicles that are not only powerful and luxurious but also environmentally friendly. One brand that has consistently stayed ahead of the curve is Volvo. Known for its strong focus on safety, Scandinavian design, and innovation, Volvo is now preparing to introduce a new electric SUV that could redefine the midsize luxury EV segment. That vehicle is the Volvo EX60, expected to arrive around 2026. This upcoming model is designed to bring the legacy of one of Volvo's most popular SUVs into the fully electric future, combining advanced technology, modern styling, and sustainable performance in a way that perfectly represents where the automotive world is heading. To understand why the X60 is creating so much excitement, it helps to look at the legacy it is built upon. For many years, the Volvo XC60 has been one of Volvo's best-selling vehicles globally. Drivers loved it because it balanced luxury, safety, comfort, and practicality in a way that few SUVs could match. Families appreciated its spacious interior, professionals enjoyed its premium feel, and safety experts consistently ranked it among the safest vehicles on the road. Now, Volvo is preparing to take that winning formula and transform it into an all-electric experience with the EX60. Instead of gasoline or hybrid powertrains, the X60 will rely entirely on advanced battery technology and electric motors. The introduction of the EX60 is also part of Volvo's larger strategy to become a fully electric car brand in the coming decade. Volvo has publicly committed to transitioning away from traditional internal combustion engines and focusing entirely on electric mobility. Vehicles like the Volvo X30 and the Volvo X90 have already shown what this future might look like. The X30 targets the compact segment with affordability and agility, while the X90 represents the brand's flagship luxury electric SUV. The X60 will sit right in the middle, offering a balance of premium features, family practicality, and electric performance that could appeal to a huge global audience. One of the most interesting aspects of the EX60 is the platform it will likely be built on. Volvo's future electric vehicles are expected to use advanced architectures designed specifically for EVs. Unlike traditional cars that adapt gasoline platforms for electric use, dedicated EV platforms allow designers to maximize battery space, improve weight distribution, and create more interior room. This means the X60 will likely offer a flat floor, more legroom, and a cabin that feels more open and spacious than its gasoline predecessor. Performance is another area where the X60 is expected to shine. Electric vehicles are known for instant torque and smooth acceleration, and Volvo has been refining its electric powertrains for several years. The X60 could offer multiple power configurations, including a dual-motor all-wheel drive system that provides both strong performance and excellent traction. Drivers might experience rapid acceleration that rivals many sports SUVs, while still maintaining the quiet and comfortable ride that Volvo vehicles are known for. Battery technology will play a huge role in the success of the EX60. Modern EV buyers expect long driving ranges and fast charging capabilities, and Volvo is working to meet those expectations. The X60 is expected to offer a competitive driving range suitable for long journeys as well as daily commuting. Fast charging technology could allow drivers to recharge a significant portion of the battery in a short amount of time, making road trips more convenient and practical. As charging infrastructure continues to expand around the world, vehicles like the X60 will become even easier to live with. Safety has always been the cornerstone of Volvo's identity, and the X60 will likely push that reputation even further. Volvo has long been a leader in developing safety technologies that later become industry standards. The company introduced innovations like the 3-point seatbelt decades ago, and today it continues to pioneer advanced driver assistance systems. The X60 is expected to include cutting-edge sensors, cameras, and radar systems that monitor the road and help prevent accidents before they happen. Advanced features could include improved lane-keeping assistance, collision avoidance systems, and potentially more advanced semi-autonomous driving capabilities. Another area where the X60 will likely impress is interior design. Volvo has become famous for its minimalist Scandinavian approach, focusing on clean lines, high-quality materials, and a calm driving environment. The interior of the EX60 will probably feature sustainable materials, recycled components, and elegant finishes that reflect Volvo's commitment to environmental responsibility. Large digital displays, intuitive controls, and voice-activated systems will make interacting with the vehicle simple and modern. Drivers and passengers can expect a cabin that feels more like a relaxing lounge than a traditional car interior. Technology integration will also be a key part of the EX60 experience. Volvo has been working closely with Google to integrate advanced infotainment systems into its vehicles. This partnership means drivers can access built-in Google services like navigation, voice assistant, and connected apps directly from the car's touchscreen. With over-the-air software updates, the X60 could continue improving even after it leaves the dealership, adding new features and performance improvements throughout its lifespan. Exterior styling will likely continue Volvo's modern design language while introducing elements that distinguish it as a fully electric vehicle. Clean surfaces, aerodynamic shapes, and distinctive LED lighting will probably define the look of the EX60. Volvo's signature, Thor's hammer, headlights, which have become a recognizable feature of the brand, may evolve further in the electric lineup. The overall design will likely focus on both elegance and efficiency, ensuring the SUV looks sophisticated while also maximizing aerodynamic performance to extend driving range. Sustainability will be a central theme of the X60's development. Volvo has made strong commitments to reducing carbon emissions not only from its vehicles but also from its manufacturing processes. The company aims to create cars that have a smaller environmental footprint throughout their entire life cycle. This means using recycled materials, reducing waste in production, and sourcing battery materials responsibly. For environmentally conscious drivers, the X60 could represent a meaningful step toward greener transportation without sacrificing luxury or performance. Another exciting possibility is the inclusion of next-generation computing systems inside the EX60. Modern electric vehicles rely heavily on software, and Volvo is investing in powerful onboard computers capable of processing vast amounts of data from sensors and cameras. These systems allow for advanced driver assistance features and ensure that the car's technology remains up to date for years to come. In many ways, the X60 will be as much a computer on wheels as it is a traditional vehicle. Comfort and practicality will also be important strengths. Midsize SUVs like the XC60 became popular because they offer the perfect balance of size and usability. The X60 is expected to carry forward that practicality with generous cargo space, flexible seating arrangements, and thoughtful storage solutions throughout the cabin. Whether it's daily commuting, family road trips, or weekend adventures, the X60 will likely be designed to handle a wide variety of lifestyles. The arrival of the EX60 also reflects broader changes happening across the automotive industry. Governments around the world are encouraging the adoption of electric vehicles to reduce emissions and improve air quality. As charging networks expand and battery technology improves, more drivers are becoming comfortable with the idea of switching from gasoline to electric power. Vehicles like the X60 will play a major role in accelerating this transition by offering an appealing combination of style, technology, and practicality. Competition in the electric SUV market is growing rapidly, but Volvo's reputation for safety, quality, and design gives it a strong advantage. The X60 will likely compete with several other premium electric SUVs, yet Volvo's unique blend of Scandinavian simplicity and advanced engineering could help it stand out. Buyers who value understated luxury, environmental responsibility, and cutting-edge technology may find the X60 especially appealing. Another reason the X60 is generating so much anticipation is that it represents the next step in Volvo's long-term vision. The company isn't just launching individual electric cars, it's transforming its entire lineup and business strategy around sustainable mobility. The X60 will be a crucial piece of that puzzle, bridging the gap between compact and full-size electric SUVs while bringing electric technology to one of Volvo's most popular vehicle categories. As the automotive world moves deeper into the electric era, vehicles like the X60 show how far the industry has come. Electric cars are no longer just experimental or niche products. They are becoming the new standard for performance, efficiency, and innovation. The X60 will likely embody these qualities while staying true to the core values that have defined Volvo for decades. For drivers who love the XC60 but are ready to embrace electric mobility, the X60 could feel like the natural evolution of a familiar favorite. It promises the same balance of safety, comfort, and practicality, but with the added benefits of zero tailpipe emissions, quiet operation, and cutting-edge technology. In many ways, it represents the future of the modern SUV. By the time the X60 officially arrives, the electric vehicle landscape will be even more competitive and exciting than it is today. But Volvo's careful approach to design, safety, and sustainability suggests that the X60 will be more than just another EV. It will be a statement about where the brand is going and how it plans to shape the next generation of transportation. In the end, the story of the EX60 is not just about a new car. It's about transformation, of a legendary SUV, of a historic automotive brand, and of the entire industry moving toward a cleaner, smarter, and more connected future. When drivers finally get behind the wheel of the Volvo EX60, they may find that it perfectly captures the spirit of the electric revolution while delivering the comfort and confidence that Volvo has always promised.